Hello guys, how to fix iPhone cannot send audio message at this time error on your iPhone. If you fail to send audio message and such type of error received, then here are the fix. Tap on settings and here scroll down and you will find the option messages. Tap on it and turn off iMessages and wait for some times and again turn on iMessages and check whether your audio are being sent or not. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next workaround to fix this issue is turn on flight mode, wait for some times and again turn off flight mode, airplane mode, and also network disable network and also again enable after some times. And the next workaround to fix this issue is go to App Store. It will loading and here tap on search and look for iMessage, and if you find any update available then update it. Sometimes outdated iMessages may be a cause of audio messages not sent error. So update iMessages through Apple App Store. And the next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility and here scroll down and tap on face, scroll down and tap on sound recognition and make sure that sound recognition is off. If you found enable, then disable it first and check whether your audio messages are sent or not. If not, the one more method is tap on settings again and tap on general settings and here go to software update, and if any iOS update available, download and install it. iOS